Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Simtect. This is their camera cover case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is a slim case that won't add a lot of bulk to your device and also has a sliding and locking cover to cover your camera array. We're going to take a look at this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what you get once you get it out of the box here. They're going to give you a nice big cleaning cloth, and that is actually pretty cool. A lot of case manufacturers don't include a cleaning cloth. I have a bunch of them already, but it's always nice to have an extra just in case you need to use it. So let's take a look at the case itself. Now this case comes in 3 different colors. I have the green version here. They also have a black version and they have a clear version as well. You can see that the defining point on this is going to be that sliding cover here that locks into place. It's got some ball bearings in it that help it lock and slide, and when it's locked into place it's not going to move on you, so you don't have to worry about it flopping around or anything like that. So a very nice feature with that for covering your camera array. It's got a nice grip to it, no problems there with the grip. On the back you can see it's got a matte texture that does not have a lot of fingerprints on it, which is great, so it repels fingerprints. Nice little button covers here that have some texture on them, as well as our bottom cutouts here for our charge port and microphone, speaker, and S Pen. And then of course on the top you've got our secondary microphone as well. So what we want to do is get my Samsung S23 Ultra in here. I have the Phantom Black version. I also have a screen protector on this. This is going to be testing whether this is screen protector friendly, taking it in or out of the case a bunch of times. I didn't have any problems with it lifting my screen protector. You can see on the bottom we've got all our ports. Easy to get to the S Pen here as usual from Simtect. They did a good job on the port cutouts here for this particular case. You can see that we do have all of our precise cutouts on the bottom for the charge port and the microphone, speaker, and everything else there. On the back, of course, we've got our cover, and at the top there for our secondary microphone. The button responsiveness on this is really great because they are covers of the actual setup here, so you're going to get that clickiness and responsiveness that you get normally with your phone. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the buttons here as well. On the back, we do, of course, have that cover. Now, this cover offers 2.5 millimeter lens bezels with it being open. So if you're to set it down even without the cover closed, it's going to be fine. You do get a raised lip of 2.5 millimeters here. And when it's closed and locked into place, you can be assured that you're not going to damage any of your camera modules on the back of the phone. Front also has 1.5 millimeter screen bezels at the top and the bottom. So if you're somebody that likes to maybe set your phone down on its front, you're not going to have to worry about that as well. So overall, just a stable setup here. If you flip it over on the back, it's not going to wobble at all. So if you want to use the S Pen on it while it's on the table, you're not going to have to worry about the phone wobbling at all. Overall, just again, nice construction here. You can see the lip at the top and the bottom. Those are 1.5 millimeters to protect it from any resting damage you might get from putting it down on its face. And overall, I think Simtect did a great job here, especially if you're looking for a low profile case that is going to offer you protection for your entire camera module built into the case. So the last thing that I want to test on this, which I always test on every case, is it wireless charging friendly? So we're going to pop this on here, and as you can see, no problems. It picked up the wireless charging right away. I'm getting fast wireless charging with my Samsung charger here, and even with those 2.5 millimeter raised bezels there, we still get it every time. So it definitely passes my wireless charging test. So there you go. That's my review of the Simtect sliding camera cover case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're looking for a case that is not going to add a lot of bulk, not going to attract a lot of fingerprints, but still protect your phone, and more importantly has that sliding cover that's going to cover your camera array, you may want to put this one on your short list. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review. I'll check you guys out on the next one.